Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Today we are going to unbox and review this iPad Air 4th generation. This video is brought to you by my credit cards. Okay guys, so let's get this thing open. Oh man, I like opening new stuff. Here's that song, man. That's the song, my credit cards, man. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, let's open it. Ooh, look at that! Oh my gosh! It's a black board. Let's put this cover aside. Let's get this guy out. Let's get him out. Man, it feels good already. This materials of this plastic. Let's put this aside for now too. Let's take a look what else we have in this box. Oh, menus. I like menus, man. And we have a USB charger. I think that's a Type-C. And then we got a cable. And that is pretty much everything in the box. 4 items. Now let's get it unwrapped and naked. Ooh la la. Da 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 da. Oh gosh, there's the finger point. Oh my god. So this particular iPad is a space gray, 64 gigabyte. And for the display, it got a 10.9 inch. If the video is too long, you guys might get bored. And let's test it out, see how it goes. What games can it handle? Shall we? Let's turn it on. Apple. Did you eat apple today? 1 apple a day, keep a daughter away. Ooh, hello. Hola, hello, Banjung, konnichiwa, hello. Let's set it up and let's play some games on it. Okay, we are here. Seems like just ourselves, man. You guys can see the graphic looks pretty stunning. Really good machine, man. Okay, Joe. There we go. We're joking, man. Woohoo! Okay, we can switch the views. That might be too early. Why I have my parachute open that early, man? Alrighty, finally we landed. So if you like mobile game like PUBG on your mobile device, you might as well just consider this iPad Air. It looks really good. Oh, we see someone. We might die over here. we can't do anything. You know what? Let's jump to another game. Can't forget about Call of Duty, right? So let's go. Oh, enemies! There we go. The bullets? How can I shoot? Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Nice. Let's take a look at a racing game now. Oh, what the hell? There we go. Now I know how to drive. I have a license. It must be above 60 FPS. A turbo? And also we can't forget about TikTok, right? Man, this thing is massive. Let me know in the comment below, guys, if I watched your TikTok right now. So we played some games on this and we watched some TikTok, and this thing does not get hot easily. So it's a little warmer than my hand. Other than that, it's very good. And if you're looking for a pretty nice little smart machine, this thing is definitely recommended. That will be pretty much everything for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. And I'm going to have some fun with it. And as always, please be safe out there. And I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.